2 high-protein tortillas, 5 simple ingredients, no protein powder, no gums, just whole wheat, tofu, and spinach doing the work. 2 of these give up to 34 grams of protein. They stay soft for up to 3 days in the fridge, and this red pepper garlic dip comes together in the blender in under 5 minutes. It starts with just 5 ingredients you already have. No specialty flours, no binders. Whole wheat flour into the stand mixer. I'm using 2 cups here with a full block of tofu, just doubled so it's easy to see on camera. A drizzle of olive oil, a crack of salt, and extra firm tofu drained well first. That draining step matters. It's what keeps the dough from turning wet and sticky. Let the mixer do the work, splashing in a little water at a time. Just until it comes together into a soft, smooth dough. No stand mixer, a few minutes of hand kneading gets you the same result. Once the dough's ready, here's the part that actually determines whether these hold together. Once it's out of the mixer, I like to finish kneading it by hand for a minute. Just to feel the texture, it should be soft, not sticky. Into a bowl, cover it and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This is the step that makes rolling so much easier. The gluten relaxes so the dough doesn't spring back or tear when you roll it out. This is the step most tortilla recipes rush, and it's exactly why they crack. Dust your rolling mat with flour. Divide the dough in half. Then each half into 4 even portions. That's 8 tortillas from this doubled batch. Roll each one into a circle gently. Don't force it, and keep dusting flour underneath so it doesn't stick. Onto a hot cast iron griddle, one side, then flip and watch it puff and bubble. That puff is a sign it's cooked through and still soft, not stiff, not cracking. Same dough, one swap, and you get this. Everything else stays exactly the same, just swap the water for spinach puree. Same flour, same tofu, same oil and salt. The only change is spinach puree standing in for the water. It kneads, rolls, and cooks exactly the same way. Just as much protein plus a little extra fiber and iron from the spinach. And that green color is doing double duty on flavor and nutrition. Same process as the plain dough. Knead, cover, and rest for 30 minutes, then divide and roll it out just the same. Just as much protein, plus a little extra fiber and color from the spinach. And speaking of dip, this is the one that I would make just to have an excuse to eat. 5 minutes, 1 blender, and it becomes our favorite side in the house. Olive oil in a hot pan, red bell pepper, onion, garlic, and Campari tomatoes cut in half. Let those cook until the tomato skins start to peel and everything smells roasted. into the blender first. That roasted pepper, tomato, onion, and garlic straight from the pan. Then Greek yogurt for the base. That's where most of the dip's protein comes from. Salt, paprika, nutritional yeast for a cheesy, nutty edge. Cumin, a little garam masala, a drizzle of olive oil, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Blend it smooth into a bowl and finish with fresh cilantro. Once you've got a stack of these, here's how they hold up through the week. Look how soft and pliable these stay. That's really the whole point. No cracking, no tearing, no gums needed to hold it together. Just soft enough to fold around whatever you're filling it with. Once they are cooled, keep them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. When you're ready, a few seconds in the microwave brings them right back to soft. Then fill them with whatever you've got or use them to scoop up a dip. Heat, fill, grab, go. 2 high-protein tortillas. 5 simple ingredients. No gums, no protein powder. Soft enough to fold, sturdy enough to hold whatever you fill them up with. And they'll keep in your fridge all week. Make a batch. Pair it with this dip and breakfast, lunch, or a snack is already handled. If you make these, let me know which one you reach for first, plain or spinach. See you in the next one.